In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in photos while keeping the same design in the Google Gemini Windows app. If you've ever needed to change a word on a poster, label, or sign and still make it look like it was never edited, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple. Upload your image, tell Gemini exactly what to change, and let it generate a result that preserves the original style, color, and perspective. First, open the Gemini app on Windows and look for the plus icon next to the message box. Click the plus sign to upload your image. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo if you can. The sharper the letters, the better Gemini can read edges, textures, and effects like shadows or highlights. Avoid heavy blur or glare. It's fine if the text sits on a curve or has lighting gradients. Just make sure the word you want to change is legible. Clean source images give Gemini more to work with, which helps it match the font weight, surface texture, and background details when it performs the replacement. Next, write your prompt. In the message field, be direct about what needs to change. For this example, type, "Change Renault to Aqua." Because the original word in the image is Renault, you're telling Gemini to replace that exact text with Aqua. To keep the same design, extend the prompt with clear constraints in the same sentence, such as, while keeping the same font, color, size, perspective, lighting, and background. Specificity really matters. If the text is all caps, say use all caps. If it's slanted, outlined, embossed, metallic, or textured, include those notes. If spacing and alignment are important, like in a logo lockup, mention preserve spacing and alignment. The goal is to describe precisely what must stay identical so Gemini focuses only on swapping the characters, not the style. Now press Enter to submit. Gemini will analyze the image, isolate the original letters, and synthesize the new word so it blends naturally with the existing design. Give it a moment to render. When the result appears, zoom in and check edges, kerning, shadows, and any effects like strokes or glow. If something looks a bit off, refine the same prompt with a short clarification, such as match stroke thickness, use the same shadow softness, or tighten letter spacing, and press Enter again. Small wording tweaks can make a big difference in realism, and that's it. Upload your image, write a precise change X to Y prompt with preservation details, and run it. With a clear request and a clean source photo, Gemini can swap text while faithfully keeping the original look and feel, so your edited image still passes as the real thing.